This is our video number 5 on project costing in Tally ERP 9, and in this video we are discussing about the transactions. So the transaction which involve while doing a project costing in Tally ERP 9. So in our first step that we need to create a quotation in Tally ERP 9. So by default the quotation voucher is not there in Tally ERP 9. So what we need to do, we need to create our own voucher type. We need to create our own quotation voucher. And remember one thing, that by default in Tally ERP 9, quotation voucher is not there. Either you can use sales order as a quotation voucher, or you can create your own voucher type as a quotation voucher, but by default that quotation voucher is not there in Tally ERP 9. So our first step is that we need to create a quotation voucher, and we need to activate the features of a purchase order and sale order. So our first step is that we need to create creation of voucher type, and that voucher type, the name is quotation voucher, and under which voucher type, that is our sale order. And we need to activate the feature of purchase order and sale order. So in this video we need to create the quotation as well, that we are going to send this quotation to our the customer, that in making one building we're going to need these items, that is the quantity, that is the rate, and that is the total amount, and this is our labor charges making of the building for our client, for our customer. So first step is that we need to create a new voucher type in Tally ERP 9. The name of the voucher is quotation. So how to create? We need to go in inventory info, or you can also go in account info, enter, then go in the voucher types, enter, and then we need to click on the create, enter. Now look, if I enter quotation only, it will give us this error message, or this message that name already exists, enter a different name. So it said name already exists, but if you check, if you go in the display, enter, here we don't have the quotation. So we need to give a unique name. So we're going to give the name quotation voucher, enter, and that is a voucher type under sale order, and here you can give a short abbreviation, that is our quotation voucher, enter. Method of voucher numbering, that is automatic, enter. Use of advanced configuration, no, enter, enter, and you can save it. So this is how we create a quotation voucher in Tally ERP 9. And if you want to create a quotation, now I want to send a quotation to my customer, right? So for that we need to go into the order voucher, enter, and look here, this purchase order and sale order vouchers, they are not enabled, they are not activated right now. So what we need to do, we need to activate the features, and these are our accounting features. So for that we need to go in F11. In F11 we have this inventory features, and here you have to make these two options yes, that enable purchase order processing, you need to make this option yes, and enable sale order processing, you have to make this option as well, you need to make this option yes as well, enter, and then Control A to save it. So once you activate these features, go back into the order voucher again. In the order voucher, look, this purchase order and sale orders, they are enabled, activated now. Our next step is that we need to create a quotation. We need to send a quotation to our customer. So how to send a quotation to our customer in Tally ERP9? We go in this order voucher, press enter, and we need to select this Alt F5, the sale order. So when you click on the sale order, we need to select, it will give us the type of the voucher we're going to enter right now. So we are not going to enter the sale order, we need to record a quotation. So we need to select here the quotation voucher, enter. You need to give the name of the party. So let's suppose our customer name is Al Musalla Company to Buy, enter. And that is the buyer information. You can press Ctrl A uh, to save this window, and then we need to enter order number, means the quotation number. So this is our quotation number is 1450, enter. It's a sales, enter. And then we need to select the name of the items. So in making a room or a building room, so we have these items. So first item is bricks, enter. And the location is Dubai warehouse, enter. And the quantity, that is 4000, enter. And the rate is 20, enter. Next we have sand, enter. Location is Dubai warehouse, enter. And the quantity is 5000, the rate is 35, enter. Next we have cement bag, enter. Location is Dubai warehouse, quantity is 1000, the rate is 1110. After cement bag we have paint, location is Dubai warehouse, and that is 2500, the rate is 70. Then we have pipes, location is Dubai warehouse, the quantity we are going to use that we are going to enter 5000, and the rate is 30. After pipe we have steel rod, location is Dubai warehouse, quantity is 2000, rate is 35. After steel rod we have Teflon plates, location is Dubai warehouse, and the quantity is 500, and the rate is 50, enter. And we are also charging the labor, so enter again. And we are charging labor charges, enter. And the labor charges is 42,000, enter. And that labor we are charging for our Dubai project, Dubai mall, that is 42,000, enter, enter. And then press enter again. And we are also charging the VAT, to select the VAT, enter, enter. And this VAT expense we are charging for Dubai project, Dubai mall, enter, enter. So this is how you need to create a quotation in Tally ERP9 when you're doing a project costing. So write the description here. Quotation number 1450 for Al Musalla Company building room or office number 503. So enter, enter, and save it. So this is how we are creating a quotation in Tally ERP9. And if you want to check the report, you need to go back. So you need to go in the display, enter, select the inventory books, enter, and that is our sale orders book, enter. So right now in January we have one voucher, enter, which is our quotation voucher, enter. And look, we created this on 1st January 2020 for this customer, Al Musalla company to buy, and that is the voucher type, which is quotation voucher. That is a default automatic number range, which is 1, and uh, our own internal reference number, the quotation number, that is 1450, and that is the total amount of the quotation, right? And if you want to check this in detail, you can press Alt F1, or you can click this detail option, and here it will show us the total sales, that is this much, the labor charges is this much, and the VAT amount is this much, and the total quotation we are sending to Al Musalla company, that is 849,975 dirham. So this is how we are creating a quotation, sending a quotation to our customer in Tally ERP 9.